Marie Callender's Southern Pecan Pie is available as a frozen dessert in many grocery stores. You can find it at retailers like Walmart, Safeway, Kroger, Albertsons, and others. It's a popular item and is described as having a sweet, luscious filling with crisp pecans and an extra flaky, made-from-scratch pastry crust. It's typically sold as a thaw-and-serve pie. A thaw-and-serve pie is a pre-baked pie that has been frozen for convenience. Unlike pies that require baking at home, these are fully cooked and simply need to be thawed before they can be eaten. You typically take the pie out of the freezer and let it sit in the refrigerator for several hours or overnight until it's defrosted. Once thawed, it's ready to be sliced and enjoyed, often served chilled. Marie Callender's Pecan Pie is a perfect example of a thaw-and-serve pie, offering a quick and easy dessert solution without any baking required. The Marie Callender's frozen pie story began with Marie Callender herself, who started baking and selling pies from her California home in the 1940s. Her delicious creations quickly gained popularity, leading to the opening of the first Marie Callender's Pie and Coffee Shop in 1964. This initial success spurred the rapid expansion of the restaurant chain throughout the 1960s and beyond. As the brand became a household name known for its comforting, homemade-style food, the idea of offering their beloved pies in a convenient frozen format for grocery stores emerged. This expansion into frozen foods truly took off in 1994, when various product licenses for the Marie Callender's brand, including their frozen food line, were acquired by Conagra Foods. This acquisition significantly boosted their distribution, making Marie Callender's frozen pies, like the Southern Pecan Pie, widely available in freezers across the nation. Today, even as the restaurant chain has seen changes, the legacy of Marie's original pies continues through the extensive line of frozen desserts, remaining a popular choice for convenient, home-style treats.